Hi, I'm Oliver Shortle, and as the studio signature artist in Los Angeles, I'm excited to tell you about the seminars we offer our professional hairdressers at the Wella Studios in North America. The studio experience is special because we help you create your future as a beauty professional. You have the power to choose specific crafts that you would like to excel in, and we empower you through coaching and mentorship to become better than who you were when you arrived.
Our Creative Color Seminar is ideal for all stylists, whether you're looking to build your creative toolbox or on your journey to Master Color Expert program. Creativity, much like beauty, is in the eye of the beholder. So perfecting your consultation skills is imperative.
You'll learn to create a shared vision that's personalized to your client and the best way to bring this beautiful new look to life.
With our expert tips on client analysis and placement techniques, you'll return to the salon inspired to create ultra-personalized color services that surely see an increase in your service revenue.
Now that you're empowered to let your creative juices flow, consider challenging yourself with our color correction seminar.
I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you create a transformational learning plan that's personalized to your unique journey. We look forward to seeing you at the Wella Studios soon.